You've seen the secret trick, rich bathroom smell in your house. It will surely surprise all your visits. To begin our tip, in a container I will add a tablespoon of salt. Salt is a powerful ally in cleaning your home, but few people use this ingredient for cleaning. To complete, I will also add a tablespoon of soap powder. Soap is the second main item for this tip, and the use of this ingredient alone is perfect for cleaning, being always used for washing clothes. And in this tip, together with salt, amplifies its cleaning power. The third item that forms this mixture is vinegar, and the ideal amount for the mixture is only 3 tablespoons. You will be surprised when you add the vinegar and notice the consistency with the other ingredients. After I started using this mixture, I had no more problems with cleaning my bathroom, including the yellow ones of the toilet come out easily. This product saved my life at the time of cleaning, so I decided to come here and share this trick with you. As a last ingredient, I will add 300 milliliters of water and then mix well. One last time until all the washing powder and salt, making this mixture in your home. You will be surprised by the result. By mixing well, we can already see that the consistency of this product is different from conventional products sold on the market. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching, so I can send you a special hug. Today's hug goes to Evelyn Adu from Nigeria. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. This mixture is suitable for the entire bathroom. No doubt there will be no more stains or bad smell. I'm sure all the ingredients I used to make this mixture you have in your home. This advice is very easy to apply at the time of cleaning your home, and in a few minutes, already has the brightness that you sought for your bathroom. I'm sure this mixture will have daily use in your home. From now on, the ease that we'll have for cleaning will be amazing. My visitors always ask me how I easily solve the dirt of the bathroom and leave very fragrant. With this mixture I use not only in the toilet, but also the sink, the floor and the bath area, all with one product only. By applying the product directly and using a brush, I easily remove even the yellowish from any toilet. I hope this tip helps you in daily cleaning. Then tell me what you think of this tip. Thank you for watching this video so far. Until the next video, bye.